stopping by. Thank you for being with me today. I'm just going to put up a quick follow-up video on one of the creams that I have been using now for the past about 3 weeks. And I know I kind of gave it a little bit of a negative ding a few weeks ago when I first started using it, not because of the product, but because of the size. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is the Canna Cell Pressed Serum, and it is by ANDALOU. So here is the itty bitty bottle, and this is the container it came in. And obviously this bottle is a way smaller than this container is, so it kind of led me to believe that I would get a much larger product than I did. So you know, that kind of ticked me off a little bit from ANDALOU, but I have been using it, and you know, it's not sponsored, for full disclaimer, nobody sent this to me. I've been using it primarily, now not every day, but primarily after I put on my retin-a or retinol for the night. And I don't use my retin-a or retinol every night, but when I do use it, I will wait for it to soak in. And then I have been gravitating to using this for my actual cream at night before I go to sleep. So I don't put on anything else. I don't put on oil. I don't put on any facial oil or anything else except this at night before hitting the hay. And I really do have to say that it is a really good cream. It is a heavier cream like that. It's not a balm. It's definitely a cream. And a little does go a long way. That's how much I've used it when I've been using it. And your face does seem to take in this serum, if that's what they call it. They call it a serum. It does seem to take it in pretty quickly and nicely. It seems to soak in. I don't have any weird things as far as my pillow is concerned, or you know, anything left or residue on my bedding, so I don't have a problem with that. And then when I wake up in the morning, my skin is very dewy, very plump, very nice. You know, it seems to work very well. It is expensive. It's about, I believe I paid what did I pay, $18 or more, maybe a little more than that. I think between 18 and maybe 22, 23. And I can get you that price again. I don't remember anymore, but I'll look it up again for you guys. And it is very small. I will tell you the exact amount that you get in here. Let's see. Hemp stem cell. It is 0.45 ounces, not even 0.5 of an ounce, so not even a half an ounce. It's 0.45 of an ounce. Yeah, so will I be repurchasing this again? I don't know yet. That's my best answer for you. I don't know yet. I do like the results. I do like what I'm seeing. But like I said, the quantity and the price kind of were a turnoff for me. I'm not saying I'm not going to buy it, because I do think it has its benefits. But you know, there are other creams out there that certainly I can use in lieu of this. I'm seeing good results, and you know, plumpness, elasticity in the skin, everything. Is it the holy grail? No, it is not. It is a very nice moisturizing cream. That's what it is. You know, Vanity cream is good for me too. Nivea light lotion is good for me too. So is it, you know, worth that much more, where this tiny little pot is $18 versus, you know, $10 for the Vanity cream or the Nivea or the Honesty cream or Lancome or anything like that? I don't know yet. I don't think so. Okay. But I did want to come up here, and I did want to give you a follow-up, because I wanted to let you guys know how my skin is behaving and everything. And you guys have been asking, like, hey, you know, Can you give us an update on it, and would you recommend it, kind of thing. I think Andalou is a very good brand. I really do like their products. Their rose water cleanser is very, very nice. I really enjoy that. They have a lot of really good products, but you got to pick and choose, you know, your battles, or your you know, where you're going to put your money, because some things are definitely a high price point for Andalou. So again, you know, you just gotta see what you want to do. So I think that's it. That's all I wanted to say for now. I just wanted to throw this up here, and hope you guys are having a wonderful day, whether it's a weekend or weekday. I don't know when this will air, but I hope you're having a great 2020 and a great time. And I know probably up north it's still really, really cold. It is cold as all get out here today. It was like 26 or 24 degrees this morning, and I don't think it's going to get out of the 30s today. So for Atlanta, that is very, very chilly. So again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to hit that bell notification and subscribe to my channel, because I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I am so glad that you guys are on board here. I do skincare for mature ladies and gentlemen. I do makeup for mature, you know, women, men, well, whoever, and health. A lot of health issues, if you have any concerns about anything like that, and a lot of I do some cooking and organic and healthy lifestyle, things of that nature. So if things like that interest you, please you know, subscribe to my channel, and you're all welcome, and you're all enjoyed, and each and every one of you are very, very important to me. I love you guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.